Hey there everybody. First of all, let me tell you, this is a no BS product. It has helped me tremendously so far. I couldn't really be much happier with it. Also, at the end of the video, I have a special gift for you. So please make sure you watch this short video to the very end. Now, let me tell you that I'm extremely hard to please when it comes to this sort of thing. Since I am satisfied, I should think that you would be too. Anyway, let's go over the good points and the hard points that I found in this product. If you would, please take the time to evaluate these points very closely, because at the end of the day, the decision of this program access is really going to be entirely your decision. So let's begin with the good points, shall we? This is an online download. You will get instant access to your product. There's no waiting, ages and hours for the item to be shipped to you. This is a permanent solution. There's no need for medication, drugs, countless visits to the doctor. It's a very affordable program. Additionally, it is one investment that will just reap many rewards over time. The product has a 60-day money-back guarantee, but you'll probably never use this guarantee, right? Simply because the program works so well. But just in that case, there's zero risk for you. The customer support that they offer is really awesome. You will also receive lifetime updates of the product. Now, as you can guess, it just doesn't get any better than that. You must follow the advice and the guide consistently to see the results, okay? That's important. This is just one of the, the darker sides of the product. It's not an overnight miracle cure. It's going to take some time, but once you do this and you put the plan into work, the results are permanent, and that's good, right? This is a comprehensive guide. There's plenty of quality content and unique information that you're just not going to find anywhere else. People don't share this information. This flip side to this is that people who don't really like reading will need to get a little patience to read through the entire guide. But trust me, it's really worth the effort. There's no peer support group with this program. That's a pity, isn't it? Because getting encouragement from others would really help to keep you motivated and on course. Now let me tell you about the gift that I was making reference to at the beginning of the video. The 60-day money-back guarantee really helped me to decide to check it out. But before I went through all this purchasing process, I tried to find a discount link online, right? I mean, we all do that. Thankfully, I was able to find a really good discount, and it allowed me access to the program, and I saved some money as well. Who doesn't like that? So anyway, if you would like to receive the same discount and save some money in the process, check the link in the description of the video here. I'm going to try to include that. I hope that my comments here in this review has helped you. Thanks for watching. Give me a like, thumbs up, and have a great day, and I'll see you